Well, hey everyone, this is Shirish and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm back with another amazing university. It's Cleveland State University or CSU. And I absolutely love this university for its amazing education, job opportunities, and low tuition fee. Yes. Cleveland State University partners with world-class hospitals, Fortune 500 companies, government research centers, and cultural institutions to give its students academic, research, and job opportunities. University offers a very special and exclusive admission services, academic and language support, and career growth opportunities for international students through a very special international program which offers easier admission options. For more info and to apply to this special program, please fill the CSU application form in the description box and my team will help you in the application process. And if you're new to my channel, I'm a TEDx speaker, an entrepreneur with 3 successful companies. I have done my MS from US in computer science and worked with top investment bank UBS Financials, and then started my company to help students with career, college admission, and mindset. Over the last decade, with my company, we have delivered top results with students getting admission to Harvard, Stanford, MIT, Oxford, and all top universities across the world. I've been featured on national television shows on Z News, and my articles have been published in top international magazines. I have met with almost all admission officers myself and have done a college admission program from UPenn on how to guide students for college admissions. In short, on my channel, you will find strategies and tools that work. And I've been using these strategies with my thousands of students over the last decade with huge success. And as always, I have created an amazing college admission profile assessment. It is completely free to use. Just head to the link mentioned in the description box and get your profile evaluated for free. Well, now let's hit for CSU. Hi, I'm Shirish Gupta, and I empower people to hack their success, rise above the challenges, and confidently create an extraordinary life they deserve. Cleveland State University or CSU is a public research university in Cleveland, Ohio. Established in 1964 after acquiring Fenn College, it is now part of university system in Ohio. Cleveland State University's historical roots go back to 19th century. CSU is located in downtown Cleveland. It is one of the largest cities on Lake Erie. Apart from the natural beauty of the area, the city has a lot to offer in terms of job opportunities and general merriment. Designated as a global city, it is home to several major cultural institutes including Cleveland Museum of Natural History and Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. CSU's main campus is in downtown Cleveland that covers about 83 acres. It also has a satellite campus in Westlake, Ohio, which is in the greater Cleveland metropolitan area of Cuyahoga County. In 2018, the university opened a striking addition to CSU's College of Engineering and CSU's new School of Film and Media Arts, the first standalone film school in Ohio, located on the top floor of the Idea Center at Playhouse Square. The most popular majors at CSU are nursing, psychology, engineering, accountancy, law, clinical services, marketing, and film and media. Although I'm not a big fan of judging universities solely on the basis of the ranking, it still lies in the top 10% of the universities in the United States. Alright, now let's move on to our next section, talking about the right fit, starting with academic fit. CSU offers more than 1,000 course support, 200 major fields of study at the undergraduate and graduate level, as well as professional certificate and continuing education programs. The university also offers an honors program to academically talented and highly motivated students. Cleveland State is a student-focused center of scholarly excellence that provides an accessible and exceptional education. Engaged Learning connects CSU students with 3,000 co-ops, internships, and other experiential learning opportunities with employers in virtually every industry, ensuring they graduate fully prepared to succeed in their chosen professions. At CSU, many postgraduate students take up or already have full or part-time jobs, so the university offers flexible academic planning and convenient class timings for all major postgraduate programs. There is also a well-developed advising center that helps students develop a plan for ongoing assistance with requirements and course selection, major and career exploration, petition assistance, graduation application, and a host of other services and programs, which is amazing. It is also classified among R2 doctoral universities high research activity. It also has research cooperation agreement with the nearby NASA Glenn Research Center. Students include postgraduates and undergraduates are involved in research as well. CSU also offers its students many literary benefits on top of its stellar course structure. Study abroad programs ranging from 10 days to 1 semester in collaboration with universities worldwide are available for everyone interested. The faculty at CSU is experienced in their field and almost all of them are involved in research. Nearly all the professors hold doctorates in their field and from some of the world's best education institutions. It is a best student to faculty ratio, which is about 10:1. So keeping all this thing in mind, I would like to rate CSU with 4 stars on academic difficulty and quality level, where 5 is the highest level. Now after academic fit, let's move to social fit. Social life at CSU is great. Outside the classroom, students can get involved in more than 150 campus clubs, about a dozen fraternities and sororities, and 3 different student newspapers. Off campus, CSU students can explore the city's museums, restaurants, professional sports, and Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. CSU has about 15 to 16,000 students, with about 10,000 in undergrad and remaining as PGs and PhD. The university is diverse. The university is less diverse, with international students making up to 6.7% of student body. And to increase the diversity on campus, CSU offers a special international program that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Now, housing is available for everyone and is guaranteed for first-year students. Most postgraduate students stay off campus after their first year. The facilities are amazing and student reviews are good for the campus security and social life. There is no compulsion for living on campus. You can live off campus as well. The meal plans are included in the residence halls. The quality and variety are good, but there are a lot of places available for students to decide on what to eat. CSU is big on sports as well. Cleveland State offers numerous varsity teams in 17 sports, with most teams competing in the Horizon League. Basketball and football are the main games played here. CSU offers competitive academics and good social life. I would like to rate it 4 stars out of 5 on quality of life at CSU. Well, now let's look at financial fit. CSU falls in an extremely affordable school category, which is amazing. And most of the program tuition fee for both undergrad and postgrad, they fall between $15,000 to $20,000 apart from some law programs that can go up to around $25,000 to $28,000 in annual tuition expenses. Housing and dining is about $12,000 to $15,000. So it's very, very affordable university. Now, as far as financial aid is concerned, CSU has a lot of merit-based scholarships, typically ranging from $4,000 up to $10,000, which is about 50% of scholarship. Now, many sports scholarships are available as well, but scholarships depend on the overall profile. So overall, I would like to give it 5 stars out of 5 on financial fit. Now, after exploring the fit, let's move to the most curious section on how to triple your chance of getting admission to CSU with my special admission tips and strategies. The ideas I'm going to share now come from my decade-long experience working with students for career and college admission. Now, when preparing for admission to CSU, it uses a holistic admission process that ensures that each application is evaluated on its unique context. Now, academics, of course, play an important role in the application here. Some of the programs have minimum GPA requirement, so make sure to check that before applying. And if you're an international student, apply to a very special international program that I mentioned earlier in this video because it has lower admission criteria. All of the applicants are evaluated on their level of engagement with their previous hobbies, extracurricular activities, portfolios, interests, and potential within their unique life journeys. Now, recommendations are welcome through trustable resources. SAT, ACT, APs, GRE, GMAT are required in most programs, but are not always compulsory for the application review process. And most students do share their scores, so recommend you to looking into getting yourself a good score on the application exam. Now, if you don't have these exams or are not scoring too well on these exams, apply through that special international program that I mentioned. And again, you can fill the application form and my team will get in touch with you. CSU is one of the rising elite colleges in the world. Since CSU is primarily a research university with a very heavy research portfolio, so while applying, if you have pre-existing research background, would make it better for you. But it is not a mandatory requirement. Even students without a research or without a research interest can get into this university. Now, as for deadlines, for admission, CSU accepts application through common application. It offers 2 deadlines for undergraduate students, that is early action, which is generally November for the preceding year, and the regular, which is January 1st. Now, for all postgraduate courses, they have individual department deadlines with either 1 or 2 deadlines between September to March every year. Again, transfer applications are welcomed as well, depending upon the availability. But remember, if you want to apply for the special entry program that I've been mentioning in this video, whether for UG or PG, it has a separate applications and you can fill the form and my team will help you. Don't submit the existing application form because then you will not qualify for that international program. So make sure to remember that. Well, thank you for watching this video and remember to complete your profile evaluation as discussed in the beginning of this video and get your personalized report for free. And yes, it is one tool that will help you in your college admission journey and I am here for you, here with you to support you on this beautiful journey. If you need any assistance, me and my team are here to help you. I would also recommend you to watch this video as your next video. Make sure to like and subscribe and never miss an important video on college admission, high potential career tips, and strategies to build your best life. I love you. I'm with you on this beautiful journey to build your best life. See you very soon.